Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view detailed trial balance extended report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Trial Balance Reports menu under the Accounts module. On this page, we have to select the Trial Balance Summary Extended Report option. Now we have to select the from date and to date. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now the system reflects the trial balance summary extended report details. If you want to download these details, just click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download option to download this report. This is how to view detailed trial balance extended report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.